Hi guys, this is Rinell Banda, the Drone Man. We're here in the beautiful city of Oporto. We're going to fly our drone on one of the biggest cathedral here. It's another beautiful day for us to stroll this beautiful city. I will show you the train station. So guys, we are entering now the famous train station here in Oporto. As you may see, it's very beautiful. It's amazing. It's an astonishing building. And let's see some trains inside. Yeah, there's one coming in. Yep, this train just arrived. Wow, a lot of people now. Okay, so we're going to meet Monica. So Monica told me that she's working here in this Porto tourism office. Yes, I see Monica now. She's very busy. I'm going to introduce you again, Monica.
Hi, welcome to Porto.
And she's the one who's helping me to go around here in Oporto. And she's very kind to me.
You are.
Guys, if you happen to be here in Oporto, Portugal, you just visit her and she will be glad to assist you. Yeah. I think this is the right door, Monica.
Yeah. I hope so.
I hope so. So, Monica, we're going to the castle.
So this is a very old church, Santa Clara. The inside is all golden, beautiful. And now we're going to the wall.
You mean that this is your first time to go here in the wall?
Yes.
I don't
I'm
believe
always
that.
saying I have to go to the wall. I have to go to the wall. I have to go to the wall. I never come. So this is my really first time here.
I am the reason why you're here now. But guys, you need to be careful as well, huh?
Yeah.
Because on this side, oh my God, you will be 6 feet below the ground.
So,
don't get fall.
It's not so bad.
Stay on the
You can
wall.
have an orange.
Yes. So we made it to the wall. Guys, by the way, meet my Japanese friends from Tokyo. So guys, finally we made it here in Rivera. Okay, bro. Nice. They're from Poland and nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. I'll see you on my YouTube channel. Yeah,
We'll
take care.
check when we were right.
Monica, what can you say about that? Huh?
Wow.
They're from Poland.
Yes,
Yeah.
and there's also from France.
Also from France.
Two couple.
Two couple. Okay.
Yeah, two couple.
Monica, there's a lot of restaurants here by the river. Yeah. Live music as well is here. Nice. I think they're playing the gypsy games.
Yeah.
We're going to take the shortcut. This lift. Obrigado. Oh, we got a free access. Is this for free or we need to pay? For the regular?
This is elevator for local access.
Ah, for local access, yeah.
I work here.
But how about for the tourists? They
No,
will
they yes,
still.
usually there's no problem.
Ah, there's no problem, okay.
Usually no.
So this is the shortcut. If you're tired of walking, then you take the lift.
Have a nice view.
Very nice view as well, as you can see. Look at the tiled roof on the other side. Very, very nice. Thank you, Monica, again for showing this.
A local.
Oh, nice place. What's the name of this restaurant?
This
Casa
is
Macia.
this belongs to the Museum of the Guerra Junqueiro.
Okay. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore.
Tell that it was nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Follow him in his channel.
Okay.
Okay. Nice guy. And so, goodbye. Nice to
Thanks.
meet you.
Bye, Anna. Bye. Bye, Monica. See you again.
It was a pleasure. Woo! A kiss for Philippines.
Thank you.